Hello again from Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're looking at live and life. Live the verb, for example, I live in Portugal, or Queen Victoria lived to be 81. And life, the noun. Queen Victoria had a happy life with Prince Albert. Don't confuse live with live. Remember, live is the verb, live is an adjective. For example, we'll soon be doing some live lessons on TikTok and YouTube. English grammar, English vocabulary, live, life, and live. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.